Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to copy or duplicate checkboxes on your fillable PDF form using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is my fillable PDF and I'll copy or duplicate all of the checkboxes. Now select form option and here you will find a select field option. Drag your mouse cursor and select a specific one. Now click right button for your mouse cursor and click edit option. You can copy and press Ctrl V or select and see this checkbox is now copied. Again I will select all of them and press Ctrl C for your keyboard and press Ctrl V and see this. In this way you can copy as many as checkboxes you want to. That means duplicated all of the checkboxes. Yeah, and see this. This is, and finally select this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.